So is that a game that you created, Raylan?
Yes.
And how does it work? You press buttons and your little sprite runs away through the forest?
Yes.
Is it being chased by something?
It's being chased by a green goblin.
I don't see the green goblin.
I don't know where it went.
Can you press the A button? Maybe it does something. Does that make your green goblin come? Oh, yes! You did it! So this is the Newbit.
No. I'm thinking about putting lives in it.
Yeah, we had to go through a special process to get this game loaded onto the microbit.
Yeah.
Because it's in arcade. It shows you how it's working in arcade.
Yeah.
And you're doing it on a microbit with a Newbit. This is by Kittenbot. Can you show the back of the Newbit board? Turn it over, see what the back looks like.
I haven't even looked
This
at
is
it.
brand new. Okay. So what game do you have on that now, Jude?
No game. It's just
like
this
the
game.
Starfighter game, isn't it?
Yes, I guess.
Here we go.